Alright, this is Master Energy along Aba Road beside Mr. Biggs. As you can all see what is happening here, the tanker conveying the fuel, the petrol is on fire, and part of the building of the Master Energy is down, while fire service men are on ground to make sure that they put up the fire as other security measures are being put in place. Now this is coming from the stables of ABN TV. We are here live and direct to give you more updates on this fire incident. As you can see, people are all gathered here trying to put up the fire. The servicemen are as well making sure things are on ground with their vehicle, trying to stop their machine and make sure they put up the fire. This is our energy. For you, this other face. I